Good day, everyone. By the way, I am Catherine Opong. I present to you the past and future trends of forestry aspect. My past and future in forestry aspect is illegal logging. In the past causes of illegal logging, deforestation, lack of government willingness, capacity to ensure the law, corruption, the loss of biodiversity, and the emission of greenhouse gases. But now, the future of the forestry aspect is the greatest changes are almost certainly ahead of us. We can also be sure that the society of 2030 will be very different from that of today. Plant more trees for a better life. Stop illegal logging in the forest. It is important to fight illegal logging because of the damage it inflicts on people, societies, and the environment. Illegal logging drives deforestation, biodiversity, loss of climate change. The local environmental impact of illegal forest degradation and the deforestation are similarly uncertain. The most significant local environmental benefits of forests are thought the watershed services and natural hazard regulation. Mounting evidence shows, however, that the removal of forest cover does not necessarily result in increased soil erosion or in the reduction of quantity and quality of fresh water. The vegetation that places forest is normally sufficient to protect the soil, and removal of forest cover actually results in an increased total annual water yield. But forests generally do not reduce the occurrence of floods.